What is going on, you guys? Kostas was on vlog number, I don't know. Enjoy the ride, guys. All right, guys, so here we go again. Restaurant Depot, Sam's Club, attorney for some estate planning. That way, if I die making these vlogs, the house and everything will be split up equally. Life is short. You don't know what life is gonna give you. Appreciate life, love life, maximize living. We're attacking it with this ferocity and vigor, and we're doing it, guys. We're just doing it. Hey Cody, are you seeing this over here? I saw that and I was thinking about you, bro. All right, so this is my main man over here. Today I'm gonna grab 2 cases of whole chicken and 1 case of leg of lamb. Okay. Baby, one day I'm hoping that you will be mine. All right, so this is why you cannot make any profit at the restaurant. $12 a pound. The struggle's real, man. The struggle's bad. So let's talk about company branding. So like Oppa is blue and white. Now I'm actually here at this is called Sam's Club, and traditionally Sam's Club and Walmart, what color are they? Blue. Okay, so but check this out. They have their interior designer. Red. That's like Costco, right? So I guess if you can't beat the enemy, join them, right? So maybe red's the new blue, huh? What do you think about that? All right, so we just wrapped up Sam's Club. Next stop, Restaurant Depot. If you eat at Oppa Greek Taverna, stop by Golden Pot, my next door neighbor. What a surprise, man. What are you doing over here? You doing all right? All right, Ken. Take care, bud. Right. See you soon, man. Guys, I just wanted to take a second to talk about sauce. Now, I take great pride in all the sauces that I make. I think when you own a restaurant, that's gotta be one thing that you cannot skimp on, especially like your signature sauces, like mustard and ketchup. Like I get it, like you don't gotta make your own mustard and ketchup, although that would be cool. And those craft condiments are on the rise. But like lazy restaurant owners will come here and they'll buy this tub of like hummus because they don't want to take the time and put the energy and effort into creating the hummus themselves. Same thing with this. This is our barbecue sauce right here. Like this is what we use on everything. And so I could buy this already pre-made and all the flavors are muted out and diminished. But you know everything, and I'll even show you, maybe throw some B-roll in there when we make it. But our tzatziki sauce is like super complex. We'll start off with this really rich Greek yogurt, which is, we get right there. This stuff is like super thick. So thick Greek yogurt, and then goes all the spices and the fresh dill and the onion and the olive oil, yada yada, and it comes out like it's fantastic. If you have not tried our tzatziki sauce, send me your address. I'll have to like ship you a package of the tzatziki sauce, and you can leave a comment in the section on how great it tastes. So yeah, anyway, I just wanted to vent a little bit because just like even with this YouTubing stuff, you know, you just see people just uploading something at a low resolution, and I did that too. Maybe people just don't know any better, but when you're a pro, like I'm not a pro YouTuber, but there are pro YouTubers out there. When you're a professional restaurateur, professional chef, don't take the shortcuts. You know, life is too full of shortcuts, and we're getting less and less authentic people, and people that takes pride in their work, people who care, and people who enjoy the craft of creating. So anyway, that's my 2-cent rant on sauces. Take it for what it's worth, okay? All right, hey Sebastian, do not watch this, okay? If you have lobsters at home, make sure that they do not watch that scene there, okay?
What's up, Lee?
Oh, all right, Carol.
What's up, Lee?
Hey, they give me $10 off?
11 something.
Oh man, 11 something. Okay.
Yeah.
What's up, Lee?
Better take a good picture of this girl, man.
Oh man. Hey, Lee, say hello to my vlog. Just go in front of the camera and say hello, everybody.
Hello, everybody.
Cool. You did good. You did good.
You don't mess around, be the
Don't break the camera.
Don't break the camera.
Fill me up. I got a new dog.
You did.
Yeah. His name's Wally.
Wally, I like that.
Because I found him in the Walmart parking lot. In the
There you
van.
go.
They abandoned him.
Oh, that's sad.
So we suggested him. Have a great day, Kostas. You're the best.
Just say hello.
Opa, get away from me.
Up these 2 carts real quick and get them to the restaurant ASAP. Just wrapped up Sam's Club and Restaurant Depot. Gonna go meet with the estate attorney and talk about death and assets after death, which, you know, everyone needs to do, and then continue on our busy Friday.
That video was amazing.
So I'm with Kendra Walden, my good friend. She's been eating at the restaurant for, how long have you been here for? 4 years?
Yeah, 4.5.
4.5 years. I know, like the very first day you moved in, you went to the Opa and grabbed some Greek food. I remember that. Yeah, so.
I did.
And by the way, Kendra is a phenomenal artist, and she actually helped me start our art gallery. You're like, we need art on this wall.
Yep.
And I was like, yeah, because, you know, everybody tells me what I need. But she's like, I'm gonna make it happen. So she grabbed me by the ear, and she ordered all this stuff, and we put it on the wall, and it's been great. So if you come to the restaurant, check out our art gallery that we have promoting local artists.
So anyway, it's been very refreshing to walk to your restaurant and see new artists, and you know, to just be a change up.
Changes. That's why I really don't sell any of the art. Well, I didn't realize this, but art's expensive, and I could tell that nobody's really inflating the prices because almost all the artists kind of have it at the same price point, you know,
Yep.
$500 to $1,000, which I guess if you divide the hours, you know, amount of hours it takes to actually paint something and the materials, that's about appropriate, you know?
Well, because everything you've had is all original.
Yeah.
So people really aren't bringing prints over.
So when you grew up your entire life, you know, shopping at Kirkland, you know, shopping at
or Target or
Target.
or, yeah.
For $39 for art like that you're just buying
poster
print.
art.
Yeah,
it's different than somebody's, you know, original piece.
Sure.
So anyway,
well,
but
cool.
hopefully
That's art there. But besides art, what I'm really here for is when I die, right?
Yeah.
Isn't that what we're talking about? Death today?
Yeah, you are.
The other vlog was already so dramatic the other day. Now we're gonna talk about death again.
Well, no, we do more than that. So, and, you know, as a financial advisor, we look at all components of someone's life, not just their investments and preparing for their retirement and their kids, but do they have protection, and do they have an estate plan? So I've invited a local attorney.
What's her name again?
Cynthia Spencer.
Cynthia, okay.
So she's a very established attorney here in Garland.
Got no money on my mind, got no money on my mind, got no money on my mind.
Dollar cost averaging. So for those of you guys who are getting into finance, dollar cost averaging, just Wikipedia that and ask your financial advisor about that. So anyway, hey, it's been fun. We're gonna go ahead and do this thing. We're gonna get the estate planned out, or talk about it anyway,
Yep.
and make sure that, I guess, the government doesn't take the money, right? Isn't that the goal?
Well, and that you've got a plan in place for protection that for your kids and your wife in case you pass away because you're the main breadwinner.
Okay. Well, I don't know about that, but I make
How
crumbs.
about the bread maker?
Yeah, bread maker. Yeah, the bread maker. I love it. All right, girl. Well, hey, thank you so much for visiting with me, and thanks for being part of the vlog. You guys out there, y'all keep doing it, keep crushing it, and we'll see you guys tonight for dinner, okay? Is the watermelon feta salad good?
It's amazing. Amazing.
Should we really have it on our menu?
Oh yeah. Oh my god, yes. You would have people coming in here.
Was it good, Holly, though? You liked it?
Yes, it's
Promise?
amazing. Promise.
Okay.
Oh my gosh. I'm gonna eat all of this if you don't come.
See, I'm just so self-conscious. I just don't know if the food quality is gonna be great. I always worry about what people think, but it is definitely good to hear it from your servers who, trust me, are brutally honest. Hoy es viernes y nosotros estamos listos por guerra. Did I say it right?
Yeah.
Kinda?
Yeah, kinda, yeah.
Alright, so what I really was trying to say is tonight's Friday night and we're getting ready for Total War. Place should be packed up here soon. Chefs are pumped, I'm pumped, and we're gonna produce a flawless dinner shift tonight.
I've been working day and night, just trying to get famous.